Hey, thanks for checking out Salon Marketing University. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the courses that you're going to get access to when you enroll today. So this is your course library, and you can see that there are about 5 or 6 different resources that we give you. The first one is the one that's going to teach you how to build a website. So once you enroll, you'll have access to this page. You'll click to view course. In Salon Website Academy, you'll have access to over 30 videos. In this first module, the website wireframe, I will teach you the different sections that you need to be able to turn your website into a highly converted website so that when visitors come, they convert into clients. Maybe you already have a website. If you already do, this module will be great for you because it'll help you to revamp your website so that it is a client converting machine. In website 2, I give you the website build. So we're going to use Squarespace to build a website. I'll give you step-by-step instructions, and you'll have the opportunity to either make your website your own or copy mine word for word using the exact images and text that I use in my website, so that when you're done with this module and you're done with this course, you will have a fully functional, beautiful, converting website that when clients come to it, they really build trust with you and they want to schedule an appointment. Your website is the foundation of your salon or spa's digital marketing, and so this is going to give you a real advantage over the competition in your area. Next, you'll have access to Salon Traffic Academy. Salon Traffic Academy is all about getting people that are prospective clients in your town or your city to visit your website. If you don't have any traffic to your website, you're not going to get any new clients. So this one's going to help you do that. The first module is going to show you search engine optimization. So the website that we created in the first course, I'm going to show you how to optimize that website so that you can rank high in Google search. The higher you rank in Google search, the more clicks you get. The more clicks you get, the more scheduled appointments you're going to get, and the faster you're going to grow your business. I also have a module in there about directory profiles, how important the directory profiles are and how to set them up so that you can be found on the internet. And then I also have a module that talks about Facebook and Google ads to use paid advertising to drive traffic to your website as part of a sales funnel. The information in this course is really valuable because you need to be able to get traffic to your website so we can get more people to become clients. The more people that become clients, the faster you grow your business. Next is Salon Video Academy. This course is going to teach you how to use your smartphone to build promotional videos for your salon or spa. In my opinion, video is the most effective way to build trust with your clients, and so having a few videos out there is going to be really valuable as part of your digital marketing and growing your business. I know a lot of people are afraid of the camera, but in this video, I take the mystery out of creating videos for your salon so that you can have several videos that are going to drive prospective clients to your business and build trust. The last course is Salon Profit Circle. This is a short mini course that's going to show you how to get your first-time clients to book their second appointment. A lot of times we want to do that in the salon and pre-book them for their next appointment, but that doesn't always happen. And so this short course is going to show you an automated system that you can set up once and forget it to be able to get your first-time clients to book that second appointment so they become lifelong clients. We all know that getting clients to book their second appointment and their third appointment is part of building a clientele. And so this is a really valuable course to be able to set that up for you. In addition to all these courses, we'll give you access to our private Facebook community. In that group, you'll be able to ask and answer digital marketing questions for other salon professionals like yourself. It's a great place to get the answers to the questions if you ever get stuck. And I'm going to be in the group, and I can act as a virtual mentor if you need help setting up your website or if you need help driving traffic to your website. And finally, when you sign up today, you're also going to get access to the 6-figure calculator. The 6-figure salon calculator is a simple little calculator that you can plug in your average service ticket, and it will let you know how many clients you will need per month to be able to achieve your goals of $100,000 or more in service sales. Well, there you have it. All of these courses are available when you enroll in Salon Marketing University today. They will give you everything that you need to be able to build your website and drive traffic to that website so that you can build your clientele in 6 months or less and achieve that goal of 6 figures or more in service sales. Go ahead and click the button on this page to enroll, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.